Planning to study in Romania as a professional. This is your ultimate guide to securing a student visa in 2026. First, check if your academic or professional background matches Romania's eligibility criteria for international students. You must have a formal admission letter from a recognized Romanian university before applying for the student visa. Applicants need to show proof of sufficient funds to cover tuition and living expenses during their stay in Romania. Valid health insurance is mandatory. Make sure your policy covers your stay and complies with Romanian immigration rules. Mark key dates. Start your application at least 6 months before your desired intake to avoid last-minute stress. Submit your completed application and supporting documents online or directly at your local Romanian embassy. Expect an in-person embassy visit for document verification and possibly a short interview about your studies and plans. Mistake 1. Submitting incomplete paperwork can quickly lead to delays or even visa refusals. Mistake 2. Underestimating required financial proof could jeopardize your chances. Always show clear, verifiable funds. Mistake 3. Missing application or appointment deadlines often causes unnecessary setbacks. Plan your timeline carefully. Tip 1. Draft a compelling statement of purpose that clearly explains your goals and why you chose Romania. Tip 2. Organize your documents meticulously. Double-check that every required paper and copy is prepared before your appointment. Tip 3. Prepare for your embassy interview. Practice clear, confident responses about your studies, finances, and future plans. That's the roadmap to your Romania student visa. For more tailored immigration insights, subscribe and stay ahead in your journey.